So next we move on to the part 2 of our lesson on construction of circle. So here we have a question where radius is 3.2. So as we were doing, children, here I take 10 times bigger, so 32 centimeter will be somewhere here. So one rough diagram I am showing you. So let this be my original circle. You will draw with radius 3.2. So you draw a circle with radius 3.2. So I told you always draw a rough diagram. Mark a point A on it. So A on it means you take the circumference. On it means you take the on the circumference of the circle. Draw another point. Mark a point A on it. Draw another circle with A as center and radius 3.2. So here if you draw another circle with radius 3.2, the circle will look like this. So they will be equal in size, children. If you see same radius, both the circle will look equal in size. This is a rough diagram, therefore it is looking little big and this is smaller. So this circle will also have radius 3.2. So when I draw the real one, you will see. So rough diagram can be like this. So what is the question? With the center, A as center, and draw a circle, another circle with A as center and radius 3.2. Then how many points they do intersect? Question is how many points the circle intersects. So we can see the two circles intersect each other at 2 points. So question is, do the circle intersect at more than 1 point? Yes, the circle intersects at more than 1 point. See, two places intersecting means cutting each other. So answer will be yes, the circle intersect at more than 1 point. That means it intersect at 2 point. Okay, more than 1 point. So let us see how we draw. So in reality, what we will do, children? I told you will take 10 times more I am taking. So here 10 times more can again be quite big because I have to draw two circle back to back. So let me see one here, then another one we have to draw. So I am taking 10 times bigger, 32. So we could have tried with lesser also. So here I am trying to draw with radius 3.2. So you have to see that center is there properly. So okay, so you can mark the center nicely, children. Okay, center is the first thing you mark prominently, then you put the compass there. Next, I take a point A on the circumference and I draw another circle with radius 3.2. So another circle 3.2. So it will be something like this. Okay. So this is my original circle. This is with center A. How many points they intersect? Let it be PQ. PQ can be point of intersection. See here. So they intersect at 2 points. The radius of this circle is also 3.2 centimeter. Here I have 32 centimeter and radius of this is also 32 centimeter, but in your copy you do 3.2. It should look something like this and both circle will be of same size because point A is on the mark a point A on it. So we have to take A on the circumference of the circle, on it, because it's not set interior or exterior. So kindly pause the video. We move on to the second last question, that is 6. Then we will end with question number 7. So next we move on to question number 6. So here we have to draw radius with a circle with radius 5 centimeters. So here if you see children, we have 5 centimeter will be too small, and 50, I told you 10 times more, will be too big. You see, so I multiply by 5 times, I draw with 25, so it will be okay for me to draw in the blackboard. So here I will draw a circle with radius 5 as you see, but here I am drawing with 25, but let it be 5. Okay, to make your understanding easier, let it be 5 centimeter. Okay, now question is, P is a point which is at 4.5. So here if this is 5, okay, so 4.5 will be somewhere here, point P. Q is at 5 and R is at 5.5. R is a point at 5.5. So this is R. Okay. So R is to the exterior of the circle. Q is 5 centimeters. So Q is on the circle, and P, this distance, you take OP is 4.5. So question is, children, once more, draw a circle with radius 5. Okay, we have drawn a circle. Actually, I have done with 25, 5 times more. So same way, this will become 22.5, this will be 25, this will be 27.5. But rather than confusing you with this, I am telling let it be 5. Okay, so P is a point at 4.5, so it will be inside the circle, Q will be on the circle, and R is 5.5, which is more than the radius. So this is equal to radius, less than radius, and this is more than radius. So question is, if you see question number 6, name the point that are inside. So P is inside, so we can write the answer, name the point which are inside. So inside is P. The second question is outside and on the boundary. Outside, I told you why. Outside is R, children, because its distance from the center of the circle is more than the radius. And on the boundary, which point is there? We see it is point Q. So this was, children, our question number 6. Then we move on to the last question, number 7. So we move to the last question of this part 2 of the video, where we have to draw a circle. So any circle with any radius which you are comfortable. So here if I see 20 centimeter, I hope I can draw a circle. So you see where you are most comfortable. So let us take the center as O. You can take 3 or 4 centimeter, children. I think 2 centimeter for you, there may be a problem. Okay, see, lesser than this will be a problem for me, lesser than 20. So same way, I think less than 2 or 3 will be a problem for you. So draw any circle, means draw a circle. So choice of radius is yours, as I told you before. If you take too big or too small, drawing will be an issue. Okay, so we take a size where we are comfortable to draw on a copy and here on the blackboard for me. So, and any 2 of its diameter. So we have drawn a circle, any 2 diameter. I draw one diameter like this, another diameter like this. So what is a diameter, children? I have other videos also where circle, class 10 you will see. This I have defined many terms related to circle, but I think you know radius is the half of diameter, diameter is double. So any 2 diameter means diameter from circumference to circumference, boundary to boundary, passing through the center. If it does not passes through a center, it's called a chord. So if you have something like this, it's called a chord. Then we have segment, all those terms, sector, arc. Okay, this curve is called arc. All those you will see in higher classes. So I take any 2 diameter, children. Then the question is saying, the final part of final question is, draw a circle and any 2 of its diameter. Name the figure obtained by joining the end points of this diameter. End points of this diameter. Let this be P, Q, R, S. So if I join this children, all the endpoints, I'll get a four-sided figure. Okay, so this answer will be, I'll get a quadrilateral. Okay, so name the figure obtained by joining the four ends of the diameter. So we will get quadri means children four. Okay, and lateral means side. So like triangle has three side, here if we join the end points of the two diameter, okay, we get a quadrilateral means four-sided figure. There are many types of quadrilateral, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, all you will see. So once more we draw a circle. Any two diameter we take. Diameter is a line which passes through the center of the circle and touches the two boundary or the circumference. So we join the end points of two diameter, PQ is diameter and RS is diameter. So if we join, we will get a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means like triangle has three sides, quadrilateral has four sides. So with this we come to the end of our construction part 2 on circles. So kindly pause the video and copy, and thank you children for watching this video lesson.